Today unboxing is the pair of Toyota Crowns Tokyo Taxi from Tomica Limited Vintage Neo. This pair were released last month. Although their color are different, they are from the same company, Tokyo Musen. Japan has one of the highest taxi fare in the world. So far, I have only taken 2 taxi rides in Tokyo. My very first trip was in 2013 on the green cab, which I keep staring at the meter. And my second, I guess, was in 2018 on the black, which I heard the fare may be cheaper. Just for short distance, I think the fare is okay. I don't find it ridiculously high. This Toyota Crown Comfort was also released in 1:43 scale. I never got it. User mounting parts where you have to install a side mirror and also the blinkers. TLBN always never disappoint. The grille are fantastic in chrome. The color is very accurate, including realistic headlights with plastic inserts. Design for the Tokyo Musen taxi is accurately portrayed. It's very realistic with standard suspension. The taxi sign on top is also very realistic and accurately portrayed. Detailed rear with realistic plastic rear lights, including the bumper and exhaust. Overall, the Toyota Comfort is an iconic representation of Tokyo, which is a great addition even though I don't really collect taxis. Next is the Tokyo Musen cab in black. Unlike the previous Toyota Crown, this Crown sedan already has side mirror being pre-installed, which is great. Although the sedan is only in a single color in black, the finishing is nice. Awesome details on the front grille and headlights, just like the Crown Comfort. Although the sedan is only in a single color in black, the finishing is nice. Interesting fine prints on the side which is accurately portrayed, including the Tokyo Musen logo and also no smoking sign. The interior is much more detailed than the Toyota Crown. I see lots of effort taken into the rear lights. The bumper is clean and sleek, including the exhaust. And overall, this pair of Toyota Crown sedans are a great representation for Tokyo. Once again, TLB did a fantastic job, and I'm very happy it brings back many wonderful memories. Stay tuned for more TLBN unboxing. And remember to head on to my second channel, Hot Customs Unboxing, for more contents. You can refer to the link down below in my comment section, including my bio. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks everyone. Bye.